so creepy. These smell incredible. Cheers. Want to see what's happening? Say hi, Charlie. Hello. Like run, bitches. Oh my god, how cute is this? I did not know Sonic gave mints. I'm about to have my first ever sip, the famous Sonic cherry limeade. So before we get into all the food, cheers. Ooh. Charlie. This is really good. So Jimmy and I were running some errands today, and on the way back, we passed the Sonic, and I know they have those new $2, $3 deals. He got a cherry limeade, I got a cherry limeade. I got the diet one, but we also got some onion rings. I've been smelling these the whole ride home. I think this is their chicken sandwich. I thought this was gonna be so much bigger. Oh my god, this is so small. Do you guys see that? It just looks like a mysterious white sauce. This does not at all look the same. No. Do you see the nerve that Charlie has right now? Chicken slinger, 350 calories. Why do I feel like, oh my god, this is, why does this look so creepy? This is the Frito's Chili Cheese Junior wrap. So this is what she looks like. Oh my god. Just a little wrap. So this has 380 calories, only like $1.50. And I think this was $2.99, the sandwich. And these are $2.99. And then the drink was half off when you buy it on the app, so. Honestly, they're kind of cold, so I might have to heat them up. But I think first things first, let's do an onion ring because these smell incredible. 3, 2, 1. Cold, but good. Okay, that batter is amazing. So next up, we'll do this chicken slinger. Cheers. Oh, the bun is so tough that I can't even. Oh, excuse me. You really think you're gonna get by this? Excuse me. Get down. Down. This is definitely gonna have to get heated up. The bun is so tough. I think the chicken's good. And then we'll try this burrito. I don't even know how to go about this. I bet this is so cold. I'm just gonna go straight in the middle. That actually is really good. Air fryer and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Oh, and Puppy's back too. First up, let's do this chicken sandwich redemption time. Here we go. I don't know, guys. Charlie, come here. Finds everything he should not be eating. Okay, my thoughts on this is the bun is just so tough. It's like, I get that it's $3, but I almost would just say, go to Popeyes and buy their chicken sandwich, spend the extra money, or even McDonald's has a good crispy chicken sandwich. Let's try it open-faced, because the bun is not it. Pickle's good. And the chicken meat's good. Yeah, I think the bun is just old or something. But the chicken and the pickles and the mayo, really good. This I'm drinking so fast. This is the star of this whole thing. All right, we're giving this one another try. This is really good. You really taste the Fritos. It's so good. Jimmy said they had this like 8 years ago for like $1 something. He'd get it all the time, but they haven't had it for so long. This is so good. I'm just so disappointed by this chicken slinger. This is not good. Again, like I'll finish the chicken part, but the bread is just so nasty. Oh, onion rings. Okay, let's give the onion rings another try. Much better. I'm so over this. I'm just throwing this bun out, to be honest. Charlie! Let's do a little ketchup. Like, do you have onion rings with ketchup? I feel like you have ranch with onion rings. Not my vibe. Maybe they gave it to me in case I wanted it for the chicken sandwich. I don't know. I went to Aldi's today, excuse me. And I keep seeing people use hot honey on things. In margaritas, on food, like chicken, whatever. So let's do this. Let's try a little bit of this hot honey on the chicken sandwich. Okay, I've never had hot honey before. And this says extra hot. Hot honey infused with chilies and vinegar. Try on pizza, chicken, burgers, and sauces. Whoa! I taste that spice for sure. All right, let's do this. It's really freaking spicy. I don't know if there are levels and I accidentally got the hottest one, but. Whoa! That was out of this world. Okay, that was incredible. I kind of want to try this on the onion ring. Do you see Charlie? He's so desperate. We have really good puppy chow. Begging isn't cute. I don't know if you could see the honey on there, but. Ow, that's hot. I still think the ranch would be better on the onion rings. Just my opinion, but. Have you tried any of these items before? Comment down below your go-to Sonic item. I'm curious if I should try it out. All right, I just about finished my cherry limeade, and I take that as a sign as I should be done. My stomach is starting to feel a little, you know, that fast food feeling. My stomach kind of hurts. Oh, this was so good though. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna have one last bite, and that'll be it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if there's more items I should try at Sonic or any other fast food restaurants. I need some ideas. Say bye. Oh my God. Say bye, puppy. All right. Bye, guys.